Hi, my name is Jesse Lavender. I'm the Lee County Parks and Recreation Director. As you're aware, Lee County is home to some world-famous parks and preserves within our park system. All of these received significant damage during Hurricane Ian. Staff is working round the clock to clean up each and every park. That being said, I want to make note of a few things that still remain closed indefinitely. Number one being our beaches. Our beaches are being cleaned, the sand is being raked for debris. For the public safety when we are able to reopen. Two of our highly used boat ramps remain closed. First one being Punta Rassa, second being Matlacha Park. These boat ramps took catastrophic damage from the hurricane. It is going to take a significant amount of time to repair these back to normal. Some of our ball fields, such as the one we're at right now, have sustained damage to the sports lighting as well as the fences. These parks are treated just as your house. We have to go through the same steps with our insurance agencies, with FEMA, and with the state agencies to get them repaired. I just want you to know to remain patient, and before you go out, please check our website, www.leeparks.org. We have uploaded a map that will guide you through what amenities at each park remain open or closed. For example, some of our parks are partially open, meaning the playground at the park may not be open, but the pavilion may. So please check our website for further updates and know that we are trying our best to get everything open back up to normalcy as soon as possible.